feel free.
Yeah.
I feel like I've been blessed with a new back. Wow. Ooh.
Yeah. So we're going to get movement back into this pose here.
Oh my god.
So that's your spine moving again, because it's just those certain points which are stuck. What I'm doing is giving the input back to that area of the spine, and the joints, which are restricted, start to move again, and it's giving the brain the feedback. So the brain's actually going, oh, I know what's going on in here.
Modern day Jesus right here. Fixing people.